वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं जनरल साइंस के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लेकर आई हूँ जो आने वाले एग्ज़ाम में आपकी काफ़ी हेल्प करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ सोलर एनर्जी इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय। सौर ऊर्जा किस प्रक्रिया के द्वारा उत्पन्न होती है? न्यूक्लियर फिजन, न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन, बर्निंग कोल, नन ऑफ दीज। द करेक्ट आंसर इज़ न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन. Sun generates its energy by nuclear fusion of hydrogen nuclei into helium. In its core, Sun fuses 500 million metric tons of hydrogen each second. The next question is, which gas is used in discharge tubes for optical decoration? प्रकाशीय सजावट के लिए विसर्जन नलिकाओं में किस गैस का प्रयोग होता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, अमोनिया, नियॉन. The correct answer is neon. The neon gas is used in discharge lamps, tubes, and in fluorescent bulbs. The next question is, on which principle optical fibers work? ऑप्टिकल फाइबर किस सिद्धांत पर कार्य करते हैं? रिफ्रैक्शन, स्कैटरिंग, टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन, इंटरफेरेंस. द करेक्ट आंसर इज टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन, पूर्ण आंतरिक परावर्तन. The optical fiber is a very thin strand of glass or plastic cable for transmitting light from one point to another. They work on the principle of total internal reflection. There is no loss of signal through an optical fiber. The next question is, the formation of glittering colors in thin foam of soap is the result of which of the following phenomena? साबुन के पतले फोम में चमकदार रंगों का गठन निम्न में से किस घटना का परिणाम है? रिफ्लेक्शन एंड इंटरफेरेंस, डिफ्रैक्शन एंड डिस्पर्जन, पोलराइजेशन एंड इंटरफेरेंस, रिफ्रैक्शन एंड डिस्पर्जन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज रिफ्लेक्शन एंड इंटरफेरेंस. A soap bubble is a very thin sheet of water sandwiched between two layers of soap molecules. Light is reflected from both the inner and outer surfaces of the soap bubbles. The resulting colors are a combination of the colors that do not undergo destructive interference and their degrees of constructive interference. Blue-green colors dominates in thicker films and yellow in thinner films. The next question is, name the first dog sent in space. उस कुत्ते का नाम क्या था जो पहली बार अंतरिक्ष में भेजा गया था? द करेक्ट आंसर इज लाइका. Sputnik 2 carried the dog Laika in space. Laika was the first animal to orbit the Earth. The next question is, which apparatus measure the intensity of light? उस उपकरण का नाम बताओ जिससे प्रकाश की तीव्रता को मापते हैं. एनीमोमीटर, कॉलरीमीटर, फोटोमीटर, अल्टीमीटर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज फोटोमीटर. Photometer is used to measure the intensity of light. The next question is, the separation of cream from milk by churning is due to. मंथन द्वारा दूध से क्रीम का पृथक्करण किसके कारण होता है? ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, कोहेसिव फोर्स, सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स, नन ऑफ दीज. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स. The separation of cream from milk by churning is due to centrifugal force. The next question is, when will a person sitting in a lift feel that his weight gets increased? लिफ्ट में बैठे व्यक्ति को कब अपना भार बढ़ा हुआ प्रतीत होता है? A. Elevator going upward expeditiously. B. Elevator going downward. C. Elevator not moving. D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Elevator going upward expeditiously. When the elevator is going upwards, a person actually feels a little heavier than his usual weight. And on the other hand, when elevator accelerates downwards, then a person feels a little reduction in his usual weight. The next question is, in which of the following medium speed of light will be minimum? इनमें से किस माध्यम में प्रकाश की चाल सबसे कम होती है? एयर, ग्लास, वाटर, वैक्यूम. The correct answer is B. Glass. Any of the object or material which has the highest refractive index has the minimum speed of light. The glass has the highest refractive index among others like water, air and vacuum. The next question is dry ice is शुष्क बर्फ क्या है? Solid carbon dioxide, solid nitrogen, water, none of these. The correct answer is A. Solid carbon dioxide. Solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. The next question is the technique to integrate and mark the image of three-dimensional object is audiography, holography, photography, taxiography. The correct answer is B. Holography is a technique of producing a three-dimensional image of an object. The next question is which is not used as atomic fuel. नाभिकीय ईंधन के रूप में किसे प्रयोग नहीं करते? यूरेनियम, थोरियम, प्लूटोनियम, लेड. The correct answer is D. Lead. The most common nuclear fuels are uranium-235 and plutonium-239. Thorium can be used as a nuclear fuel through breeding to uranium. Lead is not used as a nuclear fuel. The next question is what is the other name of Newton's first law of motion? न्यूटन के गति के पहले नियम का दूसरा नाम क्या है? Law of inertia, law of gravity, law of conservation of energy, none of these. The correct answer is B. Law of inertia. Newton's first law states that if a body is at rest or moving at a constant speed in a straight line, it will remain at rest or keep moving in a straight line at constant speed unless it is acted upon by a force. This postulate is known as the law of inertia. The next question is what is the unit of electric current? विद्युत धारा की इकाई क्या है? एम्पियर, वोल्ट, कैंडला, नन ऑफ दीज. द करेक्ट आंसर इज एम्पियर. विद्युत धारा को एम्पियर में मापते हैं. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु इन्वेंटेड टेलीविज़न? टेलीविज़न का आविष्कार किसने किया? ग्राहम बेल, केपलर, न्यूटन, जॉन लुग बेयर्ड. The correct answer is John Lug Beard. John Lug Beard was a Scottish inventor, electrical engineer, and innovator, demonstrating the world's first working television system on 26 January 1926. He also invented the first publicly demonstrated color television system and the first purely electronic color television picture tube. Friends, if you find this video helpful in your studies, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.